You did? Look at this. It's crazy. A rat tail. That looks like a bigger one. Mine is like a lot thinner than that. These are cool. $7. It's not bad. $7. Those are huge broad cactus. Cactus. How much are they? $120. How cute this place is. Sedums. Watching? What that is? Ferns. 17. This makes you could read it, I'm not sure. It's pretty good. Yeah. Oh, yeah, right there. Those are pretty.
Probably. Just a regular. Yeah, that's all they've been asking for. Okay.
This time of the year, huge
enjoys. Almost enjoys.
and it's not just on roses. They work it on a lot of different plants
I'll have
as
this
well.
either.
And what fertilizer should I get?
Treehouse? Oh, it is cute. Fiddly figs.
Those are pretty. Pretty cool.
These? Yeah. I don't know what those are called.
Don't really see that color very much.
I think
Like
those
a
are
brown.
like
Very brown almond.
some ferns. Type of philodendron, I'm not sure.
Those almost as leafy.
Yes. Some ferns. Oh, this is pretty. Some shrubs. Oh, these are cool. Succulents. Eucalyptus, babe. Weren't you talking about eucalyptus? What were you saying about eucalyptus? Those are cute. I told you. Those are pretty. Silver drops.
Yeah,
$10.
my favorite plant.
That's your favorite plant? that you barely saw for the first time. Bird of Paradise. These are pretty. Bugamy.
Yeah.
This place is really cute. Let's see. What is this? It's a Senecio. Angel wings. Those are pretty. Oh, they're so soft. Did you feel leaves?
Yeah, they're cool.
Wow, that's cool.
Wow.
Here's some nice pots. It's great. $8. Pretty big.
Big one right here, $8. Probably the same thing you're looking at.
Yeah, that one looks a little bigger actually. Oh, I like that one. It's like shallow. This one's $10. It's a good price, actually. Ooh, I love this. 26. There's these pots too. $103. This is cute. It's like a 5-inch. I like that one. And the little ones. Tricolor
Those
sage.
are cool.
Those are pretty. That is cool. What is that?
Gopher Purge.
Gopher Purge. Euphorbia with Theris? Basil, oregano.
The only thing I like better than eucalyptus. Tomatoes. That's cool.
Lemon gold. Variegated thyme.
Oregano.
Ooh, that's pretty. I really want that Enjoy. Some Sansevieria.
Sansevieria?
Mm-hmm. I don't know how much it is though. This one I have moonshine.
Moonshine?
Yeah, I have this. It's
Yes,
called moonshine.
please.
Stop. How cute. This one is Golden Flame. Oh, $8. That's pretty.
Golden Flame?
Golden Flame?
Yeah, Gopher Shrine.
Let's get rid of gophers.
Now, why would you want to do that?
Because they dig up lights. What are you? Some kind of fern? The legs are ruffled. This is a Monstera. $16. I have one of those.
Not as cool though.
Oh, maybe I'll just get a little one. $6. Should I get a small one like this? That's $6. Or one like that. See, mine was gonna do this. Mine haven't split yet.
Yeah, it's pretty.
This is a silver satin. Silver splash. Pretty. Hello. Yeah, I have this one. This is the one I have. It's just a satin. So this is satin and that's silver splash. Wasn't sure. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these. Alright, let's see what I'm gonna get. Alrighty, so for this haul, I got this silver splash. It's a Pothos silver splash. And I got that one, I believe, for $5.99. And then back here, they're all in my house, so I'm just going around my house. And then I got this Hoya Obovato. It's looking really good. Set that leaf down there. And then I got this Pothos Enjoy, which has a little leaf unfurling there. It looks super cute. I didn't have this one in my collection, so I had to get it. But yeah, that's what I got from the nursery. I hope you enjoyed. I also got this pot, this little pot. I think it was like 103. And then I got, where's my other little pot? This little pot too, which was I think like 103 as well. But yeah, so I got those. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know I went through the video a little bit quick. I was shopping with my husband, and so we just walked through and enjoyed the little nursery that we found in Covina. So I hope you enjoyed. Talk to you soon. Bye.